And we are underway with qualification match 10. As we begin, as always, this is the automation round. In auto, these bots are operating independently. Blue Alliance scoring a massive salvo into their hub. Red team trying to keep pace. As we head into teleop, the red team will have the initiative with their hub. Both hubs are active for the moment, but with the greater score, blue team's hub goes inactive as red team takes the initiative. This is their chance to bridge the gap. Blue team with 104 points, red team with 26. They've got their work cut out for them. It is anarchy in the center of the field as all the bots are scurrying around, filling their hoppers with fuel, trying to get ready to fill their hubs. The phase changes back to blue, and they capitalize instantly on the phase change. Their hub goes active, and they sink so many points, absolutely guzzling fuel like a 57 Chevy. The red team collecting, biding their time, waiting for their hub to go active. As we head into the next phase change, now is their chance. Bot 46-39, Heart of the Sea scoring points for the Red Alliance. Backed up by their ally, Brownout from Team Paradox. They're making points, but will it be enough? Only time will tell. They have a long way to go. Blue Alliance, their bots shooting into the hub, falling just short with the trajectory. Fortunately, they have a comfortable lead. They need to reposition, and now they are on target. In the illuminated blue hub, they increase their lead by a significant margin. At the whistle, we are entering the end game. Both hubs activate, and now is the final opportunity for red team to collect points and catch up. Blue team pulling away. Will they make it? As the clock ticks down, only 10 seconds remain. This is Blue Alliance wins the round, 297 to 66.